Welcome to James' marketing channel. Clip today. I will present to everyone today the way we can be changed, the information of our accounts in bulk, and it's completely automated. That's what we change. Such information will help us too. It can be synchronized all the Facebook accounts, or We've changed our Facebook accounts. There's information from avatar, cover photos, or descriptions. It's either professional or it's like a real person. Today, I will guide you all. The first part is the change avatar. Change avatar in bulk. So this is main interface of MKT Care software, the software that helps us manage that large number of Facebook accounts. And we'll go to the update information. And that's where you update that basic information. There's a set number here. This is the number of threads. At the same time, it depends on our machine. Next is the distance between those two interactions. This is where I choose to change my avatar. If we change the avatar, well, we will have some of these. We're going to have some avatars. It's already there and we'll put it in the folder. It depends on the purpose. Which avatar in which folder of that purpose? Avatar, for example, here I am. That's it. I'm going to change them all into avatars. My goal is to increase the attraction. Make the customer want to make friends with. So now I'm going to choose this one. Next, we can choose some of them. Other information such as a cover photo. If you want to change cover, we will tick to it. And the other part is that we can be allowed. Same with these avatars. Same image together, but I do not allow here. So I won't tick in it. You can change information like this birthday, name or description. Here I can tick in these parts if we want to change them. However, parts like this city is a university or a place of work, we can only change one. A place or a place of work, there is no way. You can change multiple workplaces at the same time. I'll run the change today. Avatar image. And now that I've set it up, it's very simple. I will choose an account and give it. The software goes automatically. Let's get started. The clip I came here is over. Hello everyone, and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos.